Tuesdays and two bets. It's your boy, man, and I'm back once again. I'm back this time with a old 73 7 tray convertible. Have any of you ever had a project where you just have to throw the whole damn car away and just start from scratch? This right here was one of them projects where we just had to throw everything away that was on the inside and get all new parts, man. I'm talking door panels, I'm talking seats, I'm talking kick panels, I'm talking cut new boards for the top, the front and the back, new ones for the rear bottoms, like everything. The only thing that's original on this car here is this back seat and the part that's welded to the dash that's welded to the body. That's it. Everything else we had to discard. Was completely trash. They had holes cut in for the speakers, all that big bulky stuff, kick panels that said out here you could barely hit the brakes. So, man, hey, I told her, man, I wasn't trying to work behind half of that stuff there, man. It didn't do me no good. So I had to get on the hunt, find all new parts, and get it rocking for there, man. I scabbed this dash, found a dash frame that was cracked up and refoamed it and got it all wrapped up and stitched up, as you can see in that blue. As you can see in that blue there. But yes, this car here took a lot of work. Especially with just finding the parts, first of all. But he did. Got his 28s. We got the 28s mounted up, man. Rose gold 28. Fauji's. Y'all know what it is, man. Them Fauji's. You know we keep the rim lady working. But other than that, man, like I say, I think the color combination between the wheels and the interior is going to hit really nice. I got a few more parts I got to add on to this thing here. He had a list of stuff that he wanted to do, man, but honestly, at this time, man, with this move and this transition, I just really don't have the time and the capacity to focus on a lot of things, such as the music for one and wiring is the other. So I'm just going to have to let him be able to make an appointment at the local stereo shop, man, and put all his speakers in. Once I build the custom console for the inside, once I make the custom console for the speakers and the cup holders and stuff like that, the radio, then he'll be able to take it and get it all mounted in and go from there. You know, they'll be able to get his system right. That way they can warranty it and do all of that, the things that they do when they do all of that. But we got the cluster here to wrap. We're going to wrap this cluster, put that back in. We already got the top of the dash wrapped in. Tomorrow I'll focus on building a console for this. So today I made the seat mounts. I made all the seat mounts, welded all of the plates in where we can bolt all of the screws in from the top. So I welded some brackets in. That way we can, like you say, easily put the seats in, easily take them out from the top, just like you do in modern cars. So that's one thing. I got this piece here to take off and wrap up. This header panel. The pillars. Man, this thing is downhill from here. He already got the decoder. So I put all of that stuff back in. That's just plug and play. So I could definitely handle that part. I don't think that that'll be a problem. But other than that, man, hey, I'm going to put this thing back together. Throw a couple LEDs in here. You know we got to throw a couple little lights in here. Glow it up at night. Make a couple little things for it. And rock it out from there, man. So, yeah. That's been this one here. You know, he still got window cranks, so hey, I'm leaving all of that stuff alone. I definitely don't want to open up a can of worms no more than what I already have. So I'm just finishing honoring up what I done did. And that's about that on that, man. Other than that, man, oh, look who walked in the building. Dre stitched it. What you think? A long way from when you looked this earlier, didn't it? Big difference. Huh? Yeah, big difference. Now the colors are starting to pull together now. But yeah, man, that's where we at on that, man. We about to wrap this thing here up, man. Like I say, we got a couple more pieces to the puzzle to add to this thing here. And, Bo, you know what I always say, man, they always look better going than coming. And this one here was the true definition of throw the whole damn car away. I will stay clear of the next project that that somebody want me to do of that sort. But overall, man, like you say, man, he got to go get him a nice little paint job, freshen up on here, get him some trim put on here, man. He'll be good to go for the summer. And that's going to be that, man. I dig it. I dig it. He do got an LS in here. I think an LS3 or something like that. LS3 in here. Sounds really good. He got some good power. Now we got some nice seats that'll hold him in place, that sit level. That actually sit level. Y'all see that whistle on the side. You know, if it ain't got that whistle on it, you know what you can do with it. But the seats actually sit level on both sides. Got adjustment front to back. That's it. That's it for me, man. So in the meantime, in between time, y'all hold it in the road. Stay out them ditches. I'll be back in a minute. Sheesh.